the southeast side. Okay, hold up hill here. Get ready. Yo, my party, get ready. Yo, listen, my party shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My party shallow. My party shallow. My party shallow only.
Northwest.
Okay, hold on.
Locking west.
West side downhill. Everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nagkakaroon
Everything.
yung mga brawler.
Rapping north, my brawler.
Listen, yeah, spread
Northwest,
spread
brother.
Spread northeast side and load. Spread northeast side and load. Spread northeast side and load. Spread. Give me defenses inside. Defend inside. OC. Yeah. Yo,
Locusing now.
Heal me. Marika, get ready. Load me. Get ready. Everything on top me. Heal me. Everything on top me. North side, get ready. Wait. North side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side now. Now, come southwest here. Don't kite. Come southwest here. Southwest. Alley in southwest. Come southwest. Yeah. Come southwest. Down. Southwest.
Run over na ni, run over.
Cleanse. Kick kami southwest. Heal up. We're gonna turn soon. Yeah.
Locusing now.
Yo, get ready. North side.
Locusing.
Spreading heal up. Yo, where's my DPS, guys? Why is my DPS missing so much? Can you guys engage with the crown? Stop using your east for Okay, spread and brawl. Come to me.
Mana inside Mugi.
Okay.
What the
Get ready. I'm gonna engage in 5 seconds. Get ready. Okay, heal up. 5 seconds. Get ready. Heal up. Boys, get ready. Inside. Hold. Marlika, get ready. All the DPS inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Now spread. You can the energies like zone in northeast. Now spread and brawl. The energies spread northeast. Okay. Heal up. Spread and brawl. Okay. Get ready. We're gonna engage. 5 seconds. Yung my DPS, can you guys engage on the crown all? Heal on me. Heal on top of the crown. Where's the healers? Heal on top of the crown. 5 seconds. We're gonna engage. Get ready. My DPS, get ready. Spread. Hold on me. Inside. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Yo, spread. Yo, can I get hammers to CC for me, please? Hammers, CC for me when I'm engaging. Spread away from the crown, boys. You're too clumped up on me. Spread and heal up. 13 seconds, we're gonna engage, okay? 13 seconds, we're gonna engage. Heal up. Spread. Get ready to engage. Heal up in the middle. Spread more away from the crown. Get ready. 5 seconds.
walang
DPS, get ready
healer.
to CC, okay? East side. Defend east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Now, where's the damage, man? Now, spread. Defend on the west side. Heal up. Rigger fast, okay? Now spread and brawl. Yo, my clap DPS, come on. Why are you guys not doing your job? Find the crowd now. 5 seconds, we engage, get ready. Hold on. Yo, I need CC on me, okay? Get ready. CC on me now. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. More damage. Now spread and heal up. You guys are clumping north side. Spread and heal up. Careful. Heal up. Heal up only. Get ready, okay? We're gonna engage again in 10 seconds. DPS, you guys have to hit the crown, man. You guys are not hitting the crown. Come on. Oh, dude. Marlika, get ready.
Kalma lang.
Marlika, southwest of me. Southwest of the crown. 5, downhill. 4, 3, 2, 1. Downhill now. Now spread and heal up. Spread and heal up, boys. Spread and heal up. Oh, heal up only. Heal me. Yo, everyone zone in. Get out.
Dito
Yo,
ako
what's
sa